Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to import contact to Mailchimp. This is gonna be pretty easy and quick video, so let's get started. Now, to import your contact to Mailchimp is a very simple process. First, you log into your account. Second, you go to audience, and from audience, as you can see here, you can add contacts. Now, as you can see, right after clicking on it, we have import contacts. Now, there is three methods to actually drag and drop contacts, or basically import contact. The first is import from another service. Second is upload the file. And third is copy and paste. So, import from another service is basically, for example, you have a database in Google and you will transfer directly from Google to Mailchimp. For the second thing, which is upload a file, a CSV or text file. So, for example, you have an Excel file that has informations in it. Well, you could be using this Excel as an import database and also a text document. So you could be using these two things to import data as well. Finally, we have copy and paste. Pretty simple and static. Once, for example, I have copy and paste, this is how it looks like. So put, for example, email address, comma, first name, last name, address, and you can add as many informations as you want, as long as you will be given them, or basically I will show you exactly in this next process how it looks like. For example, here I'm gonna be working amelia@gmail.com. Let me just name it Amelia Clara. And what I'm gonna do also is here we're gonna add comma, here Amelia Clara. Let's say, for example, Avenue, New York, and let's add here, for example, 3, and I'm gonna add here 90 12 1 92, and here finally I'm gonna add something like this. Click on continue, and the thing that we need to change is these things. We have to select them, so we need to tell the software what each thing means. For example, here email address, first name, last name, address, phone number, and here, for example, no, this is not phone number, this is the birthday, and here phone number. Let's just first and click on continue. Just like that, finish import, complete import, and congratulations, this is how you can import your data or your contact to your Mailchimp account. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.